Hello guys, in this video we will see how to use console commands to boost performance in CS2. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step with enabling the developer console content. Before you can input any console commands, the developer console must be enabled within CS2 game settings. Navigate to the game's main menu, then go to settings, the gear icon under the game tab. Look at the option Enable Developer Console and set it to Eyes. Once enabled, you can typically open the console in-game or in the main menu by pressing the tilde key, usually located above the tab key and to the left of the P key on most keyboards. This console serves as the interface for entering all performance-boosting commands.
SEP basic performance monitoring commands can tend to accurately assess the impact of your changes. It's crucial to monitor your game's performance. Begin by using Show Up Spot in the console. This command displays your current frames per second in the top left corner of your screen, giving you real-time feedback. Another essential tool is NetRAF, which brings up an overlay showing a wealth of information, including your ping loss, choke, and This helps identify if performance issues are client-side, low or network-related. Additionally, max value allows you to cap your frame rate, which can help maintain consistency and reduce system strain or heat, especially useful if your fluctuates wildly.
Step to graphics optimization commands. Content. Several console commands can directly reduce graphical load and significantly boost often at the cost of minor visual fidelity. Take Macro Mod to enable multi-core rendering, which can provide a substantial performance uplift for us. With multiple cores, use Redynamic to disable dynamic lighting effects, which simplifies lighting calculations. For a cleaner visual experience and potential gain, consider Redraw Tracers first person to remove tracers from your own weapon fire. While the impact varies, these commands help the game render fewer complex elements, leading to higher frame rates, particularly on less powerful hardware.
Separate disabling visual clutter for clarity and content. Reducing visual clutter not only improves visibility in intense firefights, but can also free up system resources, indirectly boosting performance. Commands like Radicals will disable bullet holes and graphite on surfaces, which can be a small but consistent drain on rendering resources. Furthermore, pull detail max sway if still fully functional and impactful, and can disable the supple sway of small environmental props, reducing background animation processing. While the direct gain from each of these might be minimal, individually, collectively, they contribute to a smoother experience by lessening the number of elements the game's engine needs to draw and animate, improving both performance and competitive clarity.
Creating an automatic configuration file content to ensure your chosen performance commands are automatically applied every time you launch. So you need to create an automatic file. First, navigate to your configuration folder, typically located at Steam Apps Common Counter-Strike Global Offensive Gimmicks. Inside this folder, create a new text file. Paste all your desired console commands into it, each on a new line, and then save the file as automatic. Make sure the file extension is not to guarantee the executes. You can also add execute to your launch options in Steam. Right-click as in Library Properties, General Launch Options. This ensures your custom settings are loaded without manual input.